Remember the game Tug of War? Have you ever played it? I played it. Here's the thing that I find odd about the game Tug of War. I've played Tug of War in real life. See, when two people are going in opposite directions, it's a tug of war. When two people are sharing two different perspectives and they refuse to see the other person's perspective or how they connect, that's a tug of war. If you're in a relationship, whatever kind of relationship it is, whether it's a personal relationship or work relationship, if you're going in opposite directions, it's a tug of war. And the worst tug of war I have ever been involved in is a tug of war with myself. You see, I have had hopes and desires for things. But the words I've said to myself, self-talk, has been the opposite or in opposition to my hopes and desires. That's a tug of war. I've had hopes and desires and dreams, but my actions were in the opposite or contrary direction. That's a tug of war. Help isn't help unless it's asked for. When you're trying to help, when you attempt to help someone or give help or offer a person help that didn't ask for help, that's a tug of war. Are you playing tug of war? How many interactions in life, even today or most recently, have you had and it's been a tug of war? Don't play tug of war. Stop playing tug of war. Get everything on one side and win.